So, welcome to another video. Yeah, after I went shopping in Germany, here is my collection that I got from DM. Very cheap, very nice prices here in Germany. We're close to Winterberg, and I thought, why not just now? It's nice weather. Let's clean these floor mats for my Tesla Model 3 Performance that I haven't cleaned so far. I tried to once hose them down, but still they stay a bit dirty. They don't have water here nearby in this garage, so I thought, why not try a product that has been in my collection for a long time, this Turtle Wax interior cleaning foam. And I've used it on my carpet mats in my previous car, and there it worked really well. Let's see if it also works here. You spray it on here and then you let it sit for 5 minutes, which is helps loosen the dirt. So let's also try it here on the rear passenger mat. You can see the right side is clean almost, because my son sits in the baby chair still and my wife sits here. Now I'm going to spray this, and this foam is really nice because it clings to the material, as you can see, and it smells very nice, like citrus. Really like this product, but let's see if it's able to get this dirt which seems trapped in the mat here. These are of course not carpet mats, they're made of some sort of plastic material, I would say. They're really nice because they help keep the car clean, this Tesla. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've had this product for a long time in my collection. I have the feeling now that it's almost empty, but I've been spraying with this for so long already. And it really didn't cost too much. I really like this integrated brush, which we'll need later. Yeah, this is a great value for money and a very easy way to clean the interior of your car. Sehr schön. So, I have sprayed all the floor mats. I can't believe that there's still product left in this spray. Yeah, and just look how easy that is because of this integrated brush. I go up and down, left and right. And that's what I like about such products. I mean, they're so easy to use, so effective and budget friendly. Anybody can do this, and it's widely available, and yeah, you don't need complicated high pressure washers. This will also get the job done. Sehr schön. So, and then you just get a couple of cleaning rags, old microfiber towels, and you just wipe it across the surface and see how easy that is. I think it has some sort of, I don't know, drying function. What I'll do is I'll let these mats air dry a little bit afterwards. But you can see how nice and clean they got already. And I think most of the dirt has been dissolved and is actually here in this towel already. So let's continue and do the other ones. And you can see how much dirt accumulates in these towels. Very, very nice. So let's look at the final result. We have used in total 3 microfiber cloths. And I think the floor mats look absolutely stunning. They're completely clean. I'll let them dry like this a bit. I'm very happy. They were quite dirty and dusty, but they have their original color back. Especially this trunk one was very dirty and there were some really nasty winter stains in there. And they're completely ready again to go in the clean car. I'm very satisfied. So yeah, that's my short demonstration of one of my favorite products, this Turtle Wax Interior 1 foam cleaner. I really like it. It lasted really long. I feel a bit sad to throw the empty bottle away. But yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. One thing I don't like about it so much is that once you keep on foaming, the foam drips everywhere along the bottle and on your hands. Yeah, I guess that's unavoidable also because of the brush and the motion you make. But what I really recommend there is that you wear some gloves, because I was doing this without gloves and probably this thing is quite, yeah, has a strong cleaning capabilities. Hope you enjoyed my video and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.